Abend Analyzer for Mainframe provides an interface to SymDump CICS and SymDump Batch. It allows you to browse, manage, and view formatted Abend reports and symbolic data in a modern IDE environment. You can start by adding a connection to the mainframe and authenticate with either a username and password or use Zoe API ML single sign-on. You can add multiple data sets into your connection and expand them to see the reports they contain. You can apply filters to your reports to refine your view, as well as lock reports to ensure that they are not edited or deleted by other users. You can open a report and it will load the full Abend report in the editor view. The structure of the report will remain visible on the side panel. If you have symbolic data saved in a ProTsym, you can load the ProTsym to display the symbolic data in the report. You can also select to sort your reports in a variety of ways. You're able to see the options that were used to generate each report, as well as the global options for each connection. And finally, you can customize your report labels. Learn more and download the extension today. To explore Code for Z further, visit codeforz.broadcom.com.